South Africans trying to make money online are thinking way too small. They're asking, how can I make money online in South Africa? But the better question is, how can I use the internet from South Africa to reach people in countries where the money is stronger? Because one of the biggest advantages of the internet is that your customer does not have to live where you live. You can be sitting in South Africa and build an audience that buys in dollar. That is a completely different way to looking at making money online. This video is not about fake promises. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about understanding a smarter opportunity. In this video, I want to give you mindset shifts South Africans need before trying to make money online. And then I'll show you the best way to start right now. Pay attention. The first mindset shift is this: stop thinking only locally. A lot of people in South Africa think about making money online the same way they think about getting a job or finding customers in their area. They think, who around me can pay me? And there is nothing wrong with serving your local market. But online, you are not limited to only local people. That is the power and speciality of the internet. A person in the United States can watch your video. A person in the United States can click on your link. And you never had to fly there. You never had to rent an office there. You never had to physically meet them. That is the shift. You are not only trying to make money online from where you live. You are trying to use where you live as an advantage while reaching markets where people may have more spending power. Because let's be honest, a $50 commission may not feel like a lot to someone in the United States. But when you convert that into Rand, that same commission can feel much more powerful in South Africa. That does not mean it is easy, but it does mean the opportunity is different. So the first thing you need to understand is, do not only ask, what can I sell? Ask, who has the money and what problem can I help him solve? Here's another mistake I don't want you to fall into. Do not sell to everyone. I want you to pick a specific group of people with a specific problem. For example, instead of saying, I promote business tools, you could focus on new creators in the United States who need simple tools to start making content. Instead of saying, I promote fitness products, you could focus on busy beginners who want simple home workout solutions. Instead of saying, I promote finance products, you could focus on beginners who want to start understanding trading tools, budgeting apps, or investing education. The more specific your audience is, the easier your content becomes, because now you know who you're talking to. That is much more valuable, and value is what builds trust. Now, this is where we get into what you should do to start making money online right now. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start because you do not need to create your own product. Think about it. People are already buying things online every single day. People in the United States are already buying software, tools, courses, apps, products, and on and on. They are already spending the money. Your job is not to convince someone to buy something they don't want. Your job is to put yourself in front of the right audience and help them make a better buying decision. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That is the basic idea. But here's what's so powerful for South Africans. You don't need to know everything on day one. You just need to understand the bigger opportunity. You can be living in South Africa, creating content online, and reaching people in the United States who are already buying the type of products you are recommending. Now, I don't want to give you everything in this video because affiliate marketing has a lot of steps you need to understand properly. You need to learn how to choose the right niche, find the right target, pick the right products, create the right content, and build trust before expecting results. If you want to learn how to actually get started, we'll put in the description below a free guide on affiliate marketing. That way you're not just guessing. Check it out. Now here's a simple 7-day plan to help you to start thinking the right way. Day 1, choose a market. Don't pick a random product. Pick a market where people in the United States already spend money. That could be business tools, fitness, home products, online learning, or anything else. Day 2, choose a specific audience. Don't say everyone. Choose one type of person, whether that's beginners, students, busy parents, whatever. Day 3, I want you to study what they already buy. You are not trying to invent demand. You're trying to find demand that already exists. Day 4, I want you to write down 20 questions that they're asking. It could be a question like, is this product worth it? What's the cheapest option? How do I get started? Mistakes should I avoid? These questions can become content. Day 5, I want you to create your first piece of helpful content. Don't overthink it. Just post what comes to mind. Your first goal is practice. Day 6, I want you to study what worked. What did people click on? What do they seem interested in? Feedback is important. Day 7, I want you to improve and repeat. Don't change the plan after 1 week. Improve your topic, improve your hook, improve what you're offering. That is how you build, not by jumping from trend to trend, but by getting better at one path. We're trying to gather people that are interested in making money online. In the Discord that we have, beginners like you are learning how to make money from all over the world. You can learn how affiliate marketing works, how to think about profitable audiences, how to create content that attracts buyers, because the opportunity is real, but guessing makes it harder than it needs to be. So after this video, join the Money Via Mind Discord to keep learning and start building with a clear plan.